In Minnesota, a step-parent adoption involves 4 distinct phases, and the first phase involves a voluntary termination of the parental rights of one of the child's biological parents. What happens is that parent will sign a waiver form which basically consents to the voluntary termination of all rights and obligations relative to the child. Once that's executed, we can then put together the petition for adoption. Both the remaining biological parent and the step-parent will be co-petitioners and ask the court to allow the adoption to take place. Pending a hearing, the court may, but not always, may require some sort of a background check or a home study to determine whether or not the adoption will serve the best interests of the child. This really depends upon which county your particular case is filed in. The third phase then is the hearing, where we go in with the child and have both parties answer questions for the court just to make sure that everything is ironclad and that everybody understands exactly what's going to happen once the court signs off on the adoption decree. And then the final phase of the case involves all of the follow-up work with either court services, social workers, or the Minnesota Department of Health and Human Services.